Hey everyone, I am jumping into your podcast feed a day early to make sure that you know about a free workshop that I have coming up this week. I'll tell you the times to choose from in a second. But the workshop is all about peaceful discipline. How do you raise great kids without using punishment, threats, yelling? And, we do still have to move through the day. And when you do drop out that set of tools, those conventional parenting tools, you have to replace them with something. And the something that we replace them with are the peaceful parenting tools. We're going to be talking about limit setting. We're going to be talking about what do you do when your kid won't stop doing XYZ or you want them to start doing ABC and you don't want to use conventional discipline, that yelling, threats, punishment, bribes, because you can't just drop out those conventional parenting tools without replacing them with something else. And so that something else, peaceful discipline, is what we're going to be talking about in this workshop. I haven't offered this workshop in, since last year at least sometime. And this is a really, really great, valuable workshop. And I am offering it for free. So if you would like to sign up for it, you can go to reimaginepeacefulparenting.com/workshop. You can check out my new website while you're there. Again, that's reimaginepeacefulparenting.com/workshop. 2 times and dates to choose from. The first one is Wednesday, that's tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern. The second one is Thursday, noon Eastern. They're the same workshop, but just 2 different times and days to choose from, so you can just sign up for one. If you can't make it live, I will send you the replay, but I have to say, I have signed up for these things thinking I will just watch the recording. I almost never get around to it. If you do show up live, you will, first of all, you'll know that you get the information and the learning. And second of all, I'm going to be on there answering questions, answering all your parenting questions. So come to the workshop. It's free, peaceful discipline, tomorrow, Wednesday at 8 p.m. or Thursday at noon Eastern. If you are hearing this after those dates, there will be a wait list that you can sign up for, and I'll notify you the next time I offer this workshop. I hope to see you at the workshop. It's, as I said, a really great workshop to help you figure out what are limits, what's the difference between a consequence and a natural consequence, why do we think natural consequences are great, but also what is the tricky thing that we have to know about natural consequences, and, how do you raise great kids with peaceful discipline when you want to drop out those conventional discipline tools that don't feel good. So again, reimaginepeacefulparenting.com/workshop. I hope to see you at the workshop.